Power Trick or Trade. All right, people, I got a great video here to show you the power of what big picture thinking does, right? See, if you're a little scalper, little minded person, you're never going to catch gains like this Netflix plan. And I've made many Netflix plans that made great gains. So let's take a look at the plan, what I said here. I posted this plan on May 21st. All right, so here I am inside the plan, and you can see that well, I have to move this, that the June 01, the 340 calls were $266. Now, of course, they costed more for confirmation, right? So let's look it over here. What did I say? I say Netflix set up to test 340 to 345. The June 01 340 calls are great to use. That's right, people. And so let's take a look at the end result today. We confirmed on the 2 days later, okay? And Netflix needs to break over 333 to confirm. As you can see, this was the closing price on the 21st of May, and the closing price was 331.82. This is the plan that I posted inside a Power Group of Trades. Let's take a look. Let me close this up here, right? And that's the plan. If I click on it, this opens up like that, okay? And I close it. Let's back to this, okay? So now let's look for the confirmation. So here we are, people. Netflix confirming with the June 30, 01, 340 calls at $300, right? Because it didn't have to go very much. And so on the May the 22nd, it confirmed. And now, people, let's see what big picture, let's see what 400 gains look like. You saw the options where they were below 300. They confirmed at $300. Let's take a look at the end result. This is called big picture thinking. Why you want to study and follow the big picture expert. So here I am at Power Trick or Trade. Confirmation is key. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a snippet of where I wanted to take gains, as this was $5 above my target. So I want to show you where I took gains in Netflix. I mean, Netflix went even higher than what you're going to see in the video. Let's take a look, people. Just want to record here at Netflix. You can see they're at $1,233. That's over 400% gains in my in the Netflix plan here. You can see this here. So Netflix as around 349.55. A lot of great gains for us. Enjoying the great gains in Netflix on my runners. I mean, this surpassed my targets, but I knew we could get above the 345 level. This is called big picture thinking, people. This is what big picture gains do. See, we can catch directional moves. No penny stock traders can do this stuff. No, you have to have big picture skills. That's what yours truly. I demonstrate this over and over and over again. Big picture always wins in the long run. Always wins the big dollar bills. Right here. See here, May 24th. Look at that, people. 400, greater than 400% gains. Back to the video. Okay, people, welcome to Power Target Trades. Confirmation is key. You know, people, I've been posting. Look at this amazing Amazon powerful timing. Really amazing on Amazon. Some great gains at Amazon. Great gains in Netflix, because instead of taking 100% gains, 200% gains, and my runners went to 400% gains, greater than 400% gains, just like I showed you in the video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Study My Creative playlist. I gotta show you another great winner this week. BA. Gotta see this video. I'm gonna post it right inside this video for you to see. If you don't have a YouTube account, get one. Subscribe. Get one, come subscribe manually. If you have one already, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe. See this picture of me? You're going to see it in a circle format at the end of the video. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. You want to know some of the people? Let's go quickly together to you should go to my website. There's more great videos for you to really see. Oh, look at this this is a great story. Listen, people, you want to do yourself a favor. See this Google L, the power of big picture thinking. 600% gain. You've got to see this, people. I'm the big picture expert. You want to study my creative playlist. Let's go back to Power Target Trades, people. All right, people. So study. I showed you the links. I'm showing you the power. Study the words that I'm showing you. Study the power. Let's see what I say. Power Target Trade channel here. the big picture expert. You want to study my creative playlist on the bottom of my YouTube channel. You also want to subscribe. A lot of great information here on power target trades. You can also find my website link. And don't forget, there are live streams on my YouTube channel. So you want to subscribe for a whole bunch of reasons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like